7 of the best money-making apps of 2022. Free apps like Ibotta and Upwork can put more money in your pocket. For those looking to make money in an easily accessible way, apps provide plenty of avenues to consider. You can use your smartphone to take surveys, pick up a side gig, sell your unwanted stuff and more. Here's the scoop on 7 free money-making apps. NerdWallet considered apps with at least 4 stars and 25,000 reviews in both Google Play and the iOS App Store. Number 1. Ibotta. How it works. Ibotta lets you earn cashback on in-store and online purchases at over 2,000 supported retailers. Originally for groceries, it has expanded to include clothing, entertainment and eating out, pet supplies and other categories. Offers can be product or retailer specific, and some will automatically be applied. For others, you'll need to complete an additional task such as watching a video or taking a poll. Number 2. Rakuten. How it works. Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates, rewards shoppers with cashback on purchases from well-known retailers, restaurants and food delivery services. Users can also earn cashback on travel, gift cards and more. It's straightforward. Create an account, tap on the store where you want to shop in the app, then make the transaction through the portal. You can also link a credit or debit card to your Rakuten account to earn cashback in store, as long as you activate the deal through the app first. Rakuten credits the cashback to your account after it confirms the purchase with the retailer, which it says can take a few hours to several days. Payment: PayPal or big fat check. Number 3. Swagbucks. How it works. Swagbucks is a cashback and rewards app. You earn points, called SB, by shopping online. There are 1,500 participating retailers, taking surveys, watching videos, playing games or fulfilling other tasks through Swagbucks. You can redeem those points for gift cards or get cashback to your PayPal account. The total points awarded can vary by task. For example, surveys are typically worth about 40 to 200 SB points each. The minimum balance required to redeem depends on the payout option you choose, but some gift cards are available for as low as 110 SB. Payment: e-gift card or PayPal. You can also redeem SB for Bitcoin through the new crypto voucher gift card options. Number 4. Fiverr. How it works. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace that features gigs in over 200 categories, such as programming and video and animation. Create an account first, then you can set your profile as a seller, highlighting your expertise. Post the gig you're offering, which will include pricing and a description of your services. Pricing ranges from $5 to $995. Clients, known as buyers, can click through and place orders. You'll get paid once you complete the job. Fiverr assigns seller levels based on performance. As you move up each tier, you'll be able to sell more extras, such as a faster delivery time. Payment: PayPal, direct to a bank account or credit to a Fiverr revenue card, a prepaid card. Minimum withdrawal amounts vary, and you may be charged a withdrawal fee, depending on which option you choose. Number 5. Upwork. How it works. Upwork connects freelancers to gigs in writing, design, marketing and other categories on the marketplace. First, you'll create a profile. It should include information such as the field you're interested in plus your qualifications, availability and desired rate. Then, you can submit proposals. Clients will review them and offer projects if you seem like a good fit. You begin each month with a set number of connects, which are like credits that allow you to contact prospective clients. You can earn or pay a small sum for more connects, but you won't be charged when clients contact you. You can get paid on an hourly or per project basis. Payment: direct to US bank, direct to your bank account, wire transfer, instant pay, PayPal and Payoneer. Charges apply to some payment options, so be sure to check Upwork for details. Number 6. OfferUp. How it works. OfferUp, which combined with competitor LetGo in 2020, functions as a local marketplace you can use to sell your stuff. If you want to reach a broader audience, OfferUp also allows shipping within the continental United States. Create an account and snap a picture of your smartphone, car, sofa or whatever it is you're selling. Once you add a title, description and price, you can post your listing and chat with buyers directly through the app. Then, you'll ship to or arrange a meeting with the buyer. Payment: OfferUp recommends sellers take cash from buyers and stay clear of accepting payments by check, cashier's check or using other apps. Number 7. Poshmark. How it works. The Poshmark app is tailor-made for selling clothes, accessories and even home decor. After signing up, you take or upload photos of your item, fill out a description, price it and share the listing. You can also feature items in the app's Posh Parties, which are virtual shopping events centered around particular brands, categories and themes. Poshmark emails you a prepaid and pre-addressed shipping label once a purchase is made. Then, you send the package via USPS. Payment, check or direct deposit to a bank account.